Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the battery draining details on the Oneplus Nord device after the recent software update. So just yesterday, the Oneplus Nord 2 started to receive the new update, which is this is a version as you can see here exactly. And I did update friends yesterday night before sleeping, and let me try to show you exactly the battery draining details. So how much the battery got drained with the overnight draining test. So which I'll be doing every time in my channel. So once I get the software update in any smartphone, but let's see in this Oneplus Nord 2 how is the battery is draining to the overnight. And during this process I did use a single SIM card, as you can see only single SIM card, and there is no Wi-Fi, there is no mobile data, there is no live wallpapers, there is no background applications running, and no always on display as well. Completely everything kept to zero, and I did not use any kind of power saving mode, nothing. I did not use any power saving mode, just as it is. How much the battery we can actually expect in this Oneplus Nord 2. Let me just show you the screenshots. So this is a screenshot which I have taken midnight, I think around 2 o'clock, as you can see, after doing a lot of testings on the Oneplus Nord 2 after updating the phone. So then I thought of sleeping, and before sleeping I did take the screenshot around 2:10 in the midnight, and early morning, as you can see, 8:22, battery dropped to 22% from 25. So 3% decrease during this time of testing, as you can see here, during the overnight testing. So during this process of I think 6 hours, 6.5 hours or 7 hours close to that time, the battery dropped by 3%, 25%, it decreased to 22%, as you can see friends clearly how much the battery got dropped, and 3% decrease during this process of demonstration, as you can see exactly during this process in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So let me know in the comment section below friends, after updating to the latest version in the Oneplus Nord 2, how much battery is draining in your Oneplus Nord 2 device, overnight draining test. Because some of the users are reporting that the battery is draining for them 10 to 15%, but for me, for average, I think mine will drain up to close to maximum maybe 6% or 7% is the maximum if I try to turn on any kind of mobile data and anything. If I don't use any kind of mobile data or anything in the background, then it will be kind of close to I think 5%. That's it. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.